Hey, and welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. Today is day number 112, and a couple of videos ago I promised you a tour of our Airbnb here in Rotterdam, so stay tuned for the tour. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence. And I do that through these daily videos, my specialist women's portrait photography, and my online conscious confidence course. So if you feel like you could do with a daily boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to the channel. So today is day number 112. I'm about to give you a tour of our Airbnb. But first, let's take a look at what the thought of the day is. Revisit the people, places, and pastimes that fill your tank. So what's been interesting these last couple of days since arriving in Rotterdam, a completely new city for both me and my husband, neither of us have been here before. And this often happens when you visit somewhere you haven't been before, somewhere foreign, that you kind of like miss the creature comforts, like your usual routine. It's so wonderful to explore new things and get out of your comfort zone, and we certainly did that yesterday. And if you didn't see what we got up to yesterday, then make sure you click and watch yesterday's video. And as awesome as that is to explore and discover new things, sometimes you also just want to have some like chill time, some downtime when you are traveling. And so we're into our second week of traveling. We've been away from Cape Town since the 11th of April. So we're going on to our second week. And our time in Bristol was, although still foreign, it was still familiar because we've actually lived in Bristol before and all of my family is there. Whereas now in our second week, we're here in this new city that we've never been to, and those feelings of, you miss kind of the routine of daily life. It's so interesting how that happens. Anyway, so today has been one of those days where we have relaxed a bit more and chilled a bit more, spent some time at our Airbnb, just to top up on our tank of revisiting the things that we are used to, giving ourselves, our bodies, our minds a little bit of a rest. You're allowed to give yourself permission to reconnect with, the chilled activities that you would normally have at home. It's, the sense I got was about, experiencing this city as if I was a local. And if I was a local on a Sunday afternoon, I'd be sat at home chilling, I would imagine. So that's what we've done today. And it's been really great. It's kind of taken a bit of pressure off and recharging, rebooting, ready to start again tomorrow. So if you find yourself very consciously stepping out of your comfort zone, that is fantastic. And if you've been at it for any duration, any long length of time, then I think it's okay for you to give yourself time off to chill and get back to something that you're familiar with, whether it's people you spend your time with, whether it's places, being at home, doing the things that you would be doing at home. Just to refill your tank and remind yourself of this is what it feels like when I feel relaxed and aligned and reconnected. I think that's the word, just to reconnect, just to tap in again. And I think it's about finding the balance of stepping out of your comfort zone and just reconnecting with that which you are familiar with. And oftentimes, if you think about reconnecting with people that it's fantastic to meet new people, but it's also great to, connect with the people who do lift you up, the people who do inspire you, whether that is a family member, a friend, or maybe it's a podcaster or a YouTuber or an author, So you don't have to be spending time with a person literally, but you could be just consuming their content. And so I think that will be what I'll be doing later this evening after dinner, is catching up with the people who inspire me in the online space, the people who are all about personal development. I can feel that would be an evening well spent, and then tomorrow we get out there again and experience new things. So nice balance of the two. So if you ever feel that disconnect, then just revisit those places, those people, those activities that do lift you up, that do inspire you, that do build your confidence. You can do it anywhere. And even if you can't do it physically, do it with your imagination, or do it online through the magic of the internet. It's all at your fingertips. You just have to choose to do it. So now to the tour. So as you can see behind me, this is the lounge and dining room over there with a little interesting bit of art on the wall, little office space. I'll show you the spring trees outside. That's our view, looking very spring-like. And earlier when the wind was blowing, all of those petals of those trees were flying all over the place like confetti. Very pretty. So it's very much a residential area of Rotterdam where the locals hang out. And here's the little kitchen. Here's the very steep steps we had to climb up with our suitcases to the front door. And then the bedroom is up these stairs. Bedroom and bathroom is up these stairs. But I'm not going to take you there because my husband's busy having a shower. And I don't think he'd appreciate that. So that's the tour. Very nice apartment. We're quite comfortable here. Feels like a home away from home. Nice to be able to chill and relax and have a little bit of space. And yeah, somewhere to relax. It's a little bit more homely than a hotel room. So that's my video for the day number 112. If you enjoyed today's message, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button. Maybe share this video with a friend who might be needing a little boost in confidence as well. And otherwise, I'll see you again tomorrow for day number 113. Have a lovely evening.